good afternoon. What's up? So, these guys, my ears are ready for pull out now. Anywho, um, rain is drizzling actually. I have on clothes. Some now I used to come flag me. Some I don't have on any clothes. So yes, I do have on clothes. I'm gonna actually run go on the road, run go in the supermarket, get some things, and then I might get something to eat, like a box food type or something. But if I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. Guys, may I come back with the vlogs I wanna feel now. I've been absent for quite some time. Anyways, oh, and today is also Saturday, so I might go to the market again. So let's see that. But we're not far. But anyways, I'm just going to big up on myself. Guys, my sister will not show me the love. I like it. So continue to show me love, people. And I'll talk to you guys soon. So yeah. And I might go live later. It's not a guaranteed, so yeah, I might go live. Follow me on all my social as well, people. And I'll see you guys in a bit. So let me just go to the supermarket, go catch some things. Hopefully not catch me. And then I'll come back to y'all, okay? Cool. $80. And then it's $80 in the supermarket, but on the road is $150. Guys, where do you guys shop? In the supermarket or in the wholesale? This could be bad for a challenge, you know. And the fruit I prefer, but the best one is on Amazon.
Oh yeah, for buy them online.
Yeah, online. Huh? Those are the new one. But no, the bad one, them here?
The new one, a BB that one. You know, some either a beer.
No, not them one here. What
them one they buy them. Yeah, them are foolish. Around and so for that?
No, yeah, for the soap. Yeah, regardless. What? Almost for this. $5,000. Down. Guys, what do you guys use? Body wash or bath soap? Which one do you guys rather? Right now, just making a note say I'm at the market again. I don't need to see because you guys saw that in the last vlog. So I'm about to leave. As you guys can see, the market is behind me. So yeah.
What do you want? The round?
Yeah.
I don't want one shot.
Round.
Wow. That shot really gone. So beg you want to know, my friend?
What?
Alright guys, so I actually reached home roughly 2 hours now from the market. Guys, the market price just I go up, I go up, I go up. It seems like I need to get a farm or something. So, you know, the time of night, I'm going to actually go on the road and get some jerk chicken soon. And plus, oh, before, guys, I would also like for you to go and subscribe to my girl, Dream, Uplifting Souls. Make sure you know say me, so nobody. Yeah, show her some love, isn't me? So, and also our links going to be in my comment section as well, also in my description. Just check her out and show her some love, okay, peeps? So, what I was going to say again? Yeah, so I'm just going to get ready and go and get some jerk chicken and soup. Yeah, that's what I'm going to get right now. And then, once I'm back, I'm going to bed, freshen myself, and get that. Guys, I was even planning to go and watch a match today. It was with JC and I can't remember who they were playing, but the rain, due to the rain and stuff. So I heard it got cancelled, but somebody else said it actually happened. But I don't know. Either the rain. So for me, so I wouldn't go regardless. So I'm just end up going market and thing. What else do I have to say to you guys? Yeah, so I might go live tonight. Should I? I don't know. Should I don't know. Anyway, so let me go ahead and freshen myself, go and get some jerk chicken, and then I just come back and end the vlog. And see if I can upload it right now for you guys as well. Oh, you know what? I need to do a live up there Q&A. Should I do a brief Q&A? Yeah, I'm gonna do a brief Q&A for you guys, so you guys can either comment don't comment, inbox me on Instagram some questions you guys would like to ask me, and then I can answer for you guys as well in my next video. Yeah, I can do that. And yeah, so let me just go and grab some to eat, because people know that I'm a foodie. That no change, that at all. So I'm gonna get that, come back in the vlog, upload the vlog and stuff. Guys, it just feels so weird attacking on the camera, you know. I'm not talking in front of my camera. So I'm gonna let chat about to not talk too much now. 3 minutes? No, I'm not chat too much. People meet us soon.
Put some ketchup alone. Ketchup alone. Ketchup. I'll try some.
What on the cheese on here? You have more? What on?
Alright, so people, so I actually reached back and thing. As you guys saw, I got my soup, I got jerk chicken, but it's finished. Yeah, so I'm good now. So my belly is full. So I'm gonna catch up on some YouTube myself because I do love watch people vlogs as well. So alright, this is mega end the vlog, people. So before I go in, you guys know the strips. Give my video a thumbs up. And sure say give my video a thumbs up. People want to see some comments because we want to get the interactions up here now. You know what? We want YouTube sign out the video them. So I'm gonna try like up the video. Comment. And you can comment more than one time. If you want to comment 3, 4, 5, 60 at times, you just comment because we want to boost the interactions. You get me? And just tell a friend to come over, join the family and sing. Yeah, so oh, and if you guys want to donate to my laptop or any one of my devices, my PayPal link is below. And I do have my Amazon store. You can definitely check it out as well. And people, oh, if you use link in Jamaica too, if you want to donate using link as well, I can put it in my description box. Also, yeah, because link is almost like Cash App, but it's kind of like a NCB thingy. But yeah, they might try implement them wallet there, something like that. So anyways, so let's go and pick up on yourself. I'm gonna see you maybe tomorrow. I don't know, maybe. But you guys say no matter what I do, you guys want to see what I'm doing. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so let me just edit this right now. I think we can do end this fast, and if we can go up another 10 minutes live or 15 minutes live, I'm not gonna do that. But if not, I just say go. So see you guys later, people, and thanks again for the love. Remember to check out my friend, okay, Dream Uplifting Souls. Alright, I'm done. So bye.